Hi guys, today we're unboxing this EK AIO 360 D-RGB all-in-one liquid cooling system. It's a big one with 360mm radiator and it supports all the relevant sockets today. And of course it has RGB. It has powerful pump, fierce fan and a robust radiator. But let's see what's inside. We have, it's quite thick leaflet and a lot of stuff. Obviously we have 3 Vardar S fans, some mounting hardware, we will take a look at it a bit later, and the massive radiator with a pump. The pump has square block and a copper backplate with pre-installed thermal paste. The tubes are maybe a little bit on the short side with a nice braiding and a rather thin. We have a potential refill port on the radiator, and the radiator is nice black finish with relatively good density of the fins. Of course we have RGB with an addressable RGB connector and additional power for the pump, which is nice. You can control the pump from your motherboard. On the side of the mounting hardware we have a lot of stuff here. First, it's on, what's this, W splitter for 3 radiators to 1 connector on the motherboard. We have screws for AMD LJ 1200 and 11.5 something, AMD mounting brackets for the pump block combo, some sturdy looking thumb screws with springs to mount the pump block. Oh, I thought we'll be without additional paste as it was pre-pasted, but we have a tiny spritz with some additional paste, tiny syringe, Intel brackets, it does seem nothing is pre-mounted, and they're screw in. This is LJ 2011 and 2066 that are mounted directly on the socket. some screws. So these are the screws for the bracket. Make sure to not lose them. And finally, it's all the mountings for the fan and the radiator. And as you can see, we have tiny screws for the radiator to mount it on the back or front of the case. And these are for the fans. There are a lot of them because we have 3 fans. And finally, let's take a look at one of the fans. It's a Vardar fan with a rather big fan hub, but it has good static pressure, I presume. Unfortunately, you have 2 cables, so there will be a lot of cables to manage, but on the other hand, it's a good thing because you can separately power the fan and power the LEDs through your typical ARGB connector. So that's it, guys. EK AIO 360 D-RGB. Bye.